Welcome to Fuser, the home of Realty APX, Signashare, and Account Fusion. Today we are going to go over the digital flyer. The digital flyer is a great way to show off your property, and it gives people the opportunity to schedule an open house or showing right from the URL. First, to get to the digital flyer, you must go to the desired property. So we'll go to the Transactions button, then you'll select the transaction. Then from the transaction, you'll click on these three dots next to the transaction name. From here, you'll select the digital flyer option, and that will pull up your digital flyer. This is the digital flyer. If you give interested buyers this URL, they will be able to come here. Here, as you can see, there's pictures of the property, the price of the property, property details, and a description, and your contact information for them to schedule a showing. As you can see here up at the top of the digital flyer, there are different options for interested buyers. You can go to Submit Offer, and from here an interested buyer can submit an offer and you'll get this offer information. You can go to Open House, and an interested buyer can RSVP to an open house. From Showing, they can schedule a showing time. From Photo Gallery, they can see any images of the property you've uploaded. From Map, they can see where exactly the property is on the map. From Contact, they can fill this information out and send you any messages or questions that they may have so that you can get back to them. The digital flyer is a great way to save paper and to show people about your property. From everyone here at Fuser, we hope you have a great day.